Hi, my name is Misael from Adapt Lab, and today we're going to do a tabletop install for our MSD ignition coil upgrade kit that will go onto the Lexus SC300 or Toyota Supra, and this is for the 2JZ non VVTI engines that still have the distributors. To get started with this assembly, you'll find your OEM ignition coil on this bracket, fastened by these Phillips head bolts. You're going to remove them. Use the right Phillips head, and then we are going to use this spacer here. This goes first, and this is reversible, so you can set this up so the coil mounts this way or this way. In this orientation, the way you see it in my hands, the MSD coil is going to face this direction, but if you flip the plate like that and you move this metal spacer into that slot, it'll face that way. But for the sake of the video, we will be installing it in this orientation. So line this up as best as you can. These bolts here that are not threaded are going to line up with these two. And you're going to get your smaller, your shorter socket head bolts. You're going to line it up here. Leave them loose, so that way you're still going to be able to align the other bolts. So you have them fastened down here just by hand. Okay. Your coil is going to go like this. Going to feed it in. Oops, wrong way. Feed it in like that. So as you see, I made a little bit of a mistake, but your spark plug wire goes on the top, your connectors go on the bottom. So the longest bolt is going to make it right here in this socket. If you over tightened these bolts here, it'll be hard to line up this bolt. Wiggle it around. 3mm Allen's going to help you out there. Tighten that down. Again, don't tighten it down all the way, because the medium-sized bolts are going to fill up these holes here. Once you get these relatively snug, now you can go start making your rounds and do a final tighten on the rest of the bolts. If you would like to use Loctite, you can. Okay, and then that is the MSD coil properly mounted. This right here is plug and play. It's going to go directly into your existing harness. You do not need to cut or modify anything, which is great. The black connector is going to go first, and then your gray connector. This is just capped off to make sure nothing comes in here. You're going to put that in there. Very simple. And then this side, male side, is going to go into your distributor cap. This side, the female, is going to go here. Make sure it clicks. And you're done, and you're ready to put it back into the car. If you have any more questions about the install or this product and its performance, please reach out to us at adapt-lab.com. You can find us on Facebook, you can find us on our website, you can find us on Instagram.